We're going to make a garden macaroni salad. I've got my water boiling. Well, you know what I mean. I got my water on. So what you're going to need for this dish is you're going to need some elbow macaroni, green bell pepper, tomato, mild cheddar cheese. You're going to want the block because you're going to cube it. You're going to want some onion, diced cooked ham, some peas. It could be either canned peas. I like to use frozen. I just rinse them underneath warm water. And then, because, the reason why I use the frozen green peas too, the canned peas seem to come out mushy. We don't want mushy peas. We want nice, sturdy peas. Then you're going to want salt and pepper to taste and some zesty Italian dressing. Once the pasta is cooked, you're going to put it in a bowl. And, you're going to want to rinse it with cold water. So, yeah, So these are the ingredients. And this is what I'm making. I'll be back when the pasta is done cooking. Alright, the pasta is cooked. It's rinsed and it's drained. I rinsed it with some cold water. Now we're going to start adding our stuff to the salad. So we're going to add 1 cup of cubed cheddar cheese. Get it out. You're going to need 2 cups of diced cooked ham. You're going to need 1 tomato. And you're going to need 1/4 cup of onion. And what else did I do? I did onion and bell pepper. You can put as much or as little as you want to this salad. But 1/4 cup of green pepper and 1/4 cup of onion. But I put whatever, a little bit extra, 1/2 cup or 1/4 cup, whatever your preference is. And then we're going to throw in some peas. Now, I did not use canned peas. I used frozen peas. And then you're going to mix this up. And then we're going to add in that zesty Italian dressing to this. Doesn't that look beautiful? You can use, this is a good side dish for like a potluck, for church, a picnic. It's good for spring, for summer on those, hot days. And when you leave it in the fridge overnight, it tends to marinate even better. I said it, even better. And then what I did was I went ahead and I saved the bell pepper and some onion, and I'm going to use that for vegetable broth. I'm going to start a bag to make my own vegetable broth. So you want to get this mixed well. This is a pretty salad. And then you're going to put in your dressing. You can put the dressing to your taste. It's just to lightly season and marinate everything together. So I'm going to finish mixing this. I'm going to stick it in the fridge, and some of this will be for dinner tonight. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe or give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye guys.